Can work for hire apply to songwriting? Have you ever wondered how songwriters can get paid for their work? One way is through a work for hire agreement. But what does that really mean for songwriters? Let's break it down. Yes, work for hire can apply to songwriting, but there are specific legal conditions that musicians should understand. In copyright law, a work for hire arrangement means that the person or entity commissioning the work is considered the legal author and copyright owner from the moment of creation. This is different from the usual rule where the creator, like a songwriter, is the copyright owner by default. So, if a songwriter composes a song under a work for hire agreement, the hiring party, such as a record label or production company, owns the copyright to that song outright. This means the songwriter does not keep ownership or publishing rights. They typically receive only a one-time upfront payment instead of ongoing royalties or revenue from the song's use. To make a work for hire agreement valid, it must be established before the song is created. It needs to be in writing and signed by both parties. Without this formal agreement, the songwriter retains copyright ownership by default. In a work for hire situation, the songwriter is treated as an employee or contractor creating the work within the scope of their employment or commission. This is common in settings like film, television, advertising, or when record labels commission songs. One important thing to note is that the songwriter gives up all future rights to royalties and control over the song's copyright. The hiring party manages licensing, publishing, and all revenue generated from the song. This arrangement can be risky for songwriters because they lose potential long-term income and control over their work. It is essential to fully understand the terms and seek legal advice before agreeing to a work for hire. Work for hire is different from a copyright assignment. In a work for hire, the commissioner is the original copyright owner from the start. In an assignment, the creator first owns the copyright and then transfers it to another party after creation. In practical terms, musicians should think carefully about work for hire agreements, especially if they are writing songs for others. While it can provide immediate payment and opportunities, it also means giving up rights that could earn income over time through royalties and licensing. Knowing the legal implications helps songwriters protect their interests and make informed decisions about their creative work.